Hello, I'm Sophia with Virtue Vibe. Today we're going to be making fried zucchini poppers. For the first step, begin chopping the zucchini into 4 parts without damaging the seeds. Use a spoon to scoop the seeds out. These can later be dried and stored for planting in the next season. If you have too many, give some to a friend. Grate as much of the zucchini as you can at a large size. Once it's all grated, put it into a bowl, sprinkle it with a bunch of salt, and stir it to reduce the water content. Grab handfuls of the grated zucchini and squeeze the water out of it. This gets rid of most of the salt you added as well. You'll see just how much water is in a vegetable. In a separate bowl, add together some flour, a little bit of cornmeal, garlic and onion powder, pepper, and salt. Whisk it together very well. Crack an egg into the grated zucchini. Also add a heaping spoonful of Parmesan cheese, some black pepper, and garlic powder. Add some flour and cornmeal to hold everything together. Mix and mash these ingredients together thoroughly. Once you're done mixing, take spoonfuls and batter them in the flour mixture. Make sure they're coated all around and toss off the extra flour. Make sure the grease is hot enough, otherwise the poppers will soak up a lot of oil. Fry them until golden brown and crispy on the outside. These summer garden zucchini poppers go great as a side dipped in ketchup. This recipe is perfect for the massive zucchini from the garden that have very mature seeds. Most times it's best to pick them while they're young because you'll find that they're much easier to handle that way. But if you choose to harvest them later, there are still many great ways, including this one, that you can use them in your meals. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Subscribe and stay tuned for more from Sophia and Virtue Vibe.